Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Debug Thugs. So today we are going to learn how to set up Gradle project in IntelliJ IDEA. So let's start. Before moving ahead, make sure that Java and Gradle are properly set up in your PC. We will also verify that in our PC. So if you want to see the proper setup of Java, how we can do it, you can refer to our older videos for Java and Gradle setup in Windows PC. Now we are going ahead verifying the setup. So the first step will be checking the Gradle and Java setup in the Windows. So for that, you can open the command prompt, go to the search, type command prompt. So command prompt will appear. Open it, run the command Java version. You can see Java 17 is active as of now, 17.0.8. You can do the Java C version. If both Java and Java C matches, you can assume that Java is properly set up in your machine. Next thing is verifying the Gradle version. Gradle is properly set up in your PC or not. For that, you can do Gradle -v. So, right, as you can see, Gradle 8.7 is installed in my machine. It comes with Groovy and Kotlin. The JVM is 17.0.8, so it is the Gradle is properly installed and set up, and it is properly linked with the JVM as well. So our first step is completed. Right, we have Gradle properly set up in our machine. Let's move ahead with the second step: download and install IntelliJ. If you are already having IntelliJ IDEA, you can skip next 1 or 2 minutes of the video and then continue with the next steps. Let's go ahead, open the Google, type IntelliJ. So I will click on download. So we will be downloading community version that is free of cost. If you have the key of ultimate version, you can go ahead with that as well. I'll click on download. So it may take a moment or so, like 1 minute or so to get it downloaded. As you can see, downloading is completed now. Let us go ahead with the installation part. Click on it. Click on yes. Click on next. I will go with the default path. Next. I want a shortcut, so you can also create this. I'm skipping other things. I will click on next. Click on install. As you can see, installation is done now. We won't be running it as of now. I will click on finish. So meanwhile, next part is creating a new Gradle project using Spring Initializer. If you're not aware of the Spring Initializer, it is just a website. You can type in the Google Spring Initializer. So here, right, if you wanted to create a new Spring project, this is one of the website which is recommended. You can create from IDs as well, but this one is ideally recommended. I'll be going with Spring Boot 3.2.4, which is stable version. Go with Java 17, as in my machine Java 17 is there. You want to go with Gradle Groovy. There are two options: Gradle Groovy and Kotlin. Right now we'll go with Gradle Groovy. As of now, right, we are concerned with the backend only, so Groovy is fine. And language would be Java. Let's change it. com.debug thugs demo project for right. Let me add a dependency starter with just Spring Web. Okay, so let me generate. So as you can see, Spring Boot demo project is created. Let me go ahead, go to the downloads. Demo 1 is there. Let me extract it here. Okay, so demo 1 is there. So let me open this project using IntelliJ. This is the build.gradle file. So let us open the Gradle, open the IntelliJ and open this Gradle project. Do not, I will click on do not import settings, click on OK. Let me open. It will be sort of downloads demo 1 and Gradle is there. Settings.gradle, I guess. No, builds.gradle would be there. Press OK. Open as a project. Trust project. So it may take a moment or so to properly set up it. So what happens is whenever you install IntelliJ, right? So it refers to the embedded Gradle or embedded Maven in case of Maven. So what what we are supposed to do is the point to the embedded Gradle, we need to change it to the installed Gradle. Like in our PC, we ran the command Gradle -v, right? So this Gradle 8.7, where it is, you can see, right? Let me show you. uh, we can also do a echo here. Okay, so it's not like this, so it's like percent, yes. So it's echo percent Gradle home. So this is the path of my Gradle, right? If you have set up the Gradle home variable and then use it later on for the path. So this is the path where my Gradle, this particular Gradle is particularly installed. So it's C Gradle 8.7. If this one is, our project is pointing to the this particular Gradle, then it is fine, it will properly work. If it is not pointing to the proper Gradle or Java, it may not work. So let me open build.gradle and let me click on Gradle. Let me click on settings, click on Gradle settings. For me right now there are no issues, but for you there may be some issues. So if this happens, right, the way I open this page, open that one, okay, we just need to change the Gradle which is it is using. Okay, so in the distribution you can click on this, as I said, right, it will take the wrapper, the embedded Gradle. We need to change it to local installation, and local installation is C Gradle. It automatically, for me it picked it automatically, C Gradle, Gradle hyphen 8.7, the one which came here, right? If it doesn't come, click here, right, go to that part and press OK, right? And Gradle JVM should be the one which is properly installed in your PC, right? For me it's Java 17 only, but it should come from Java home. So I'm clicking on Java home. It is also Java 17 only, but by clicking on Java home, I'm 100% pretty sure that it is picking up my installed, in whatever it is installed in my Windows PC, it is picking up that. It is not picking up the embedded one. So I will click on apply, click on OK, and if you are still facing any issues, uh, this should resolve your issues. Just reload all the Gradle projects and it will work fine for you. If it doesn't works, right now it is configuring the Gradle, so it won't allow me to do a reload, but once it is done it will allow me. So for me there were no issues. For you, if there are issues, click here, right? You can also click on task. There is a build task, mostly uh, clean would be there and build would be there. You can run these two tasks. You can right click, run demo clean build. It will also, right, if it is not resolved via reload, you can do these two things. It will clean and build your project, and this will also resolve your issues. Yeah. So as you can see, build is successful. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more programming tutorials. Thank you for watching.